This is Julie, support team from ENG Tech. In this video, I will introduce how to debug Linux on CVD. Usually, Linux debugging environment will be provided by script file. So I will open a script file. First, we set core as Cortex A8 and core base. And Linux is always generating IRQ and data abort, so we need to set as off. And then we will open debug list and register and call stack window and terminal window for Linux messages. And here we will load the VM Linux, its kernel symbol, and this means that a location and locate symbol and this address to this address. And VM Linux is generated based on virtual address, so start of Linux kernel is running on the physical address. So we must locate the virtual address to physical address. And and let's start the script file. The kernel image is being loaded. After loading, you can check the symbol image from menu symbol and list program here. And here usually it will check the processor ID and turn on the MMU and then jump to virtual address. And you can see the current PC on the physical address. You can check the register values here and also MMU control register. Now MMU is enabled. And we have only loaded VM Linux to physical memory. So we need to load VM Linux into virtual address as well. Select menu, program, and load. We will just load the symbol image. As I told you, we will just load the symbol images, so we need to check only no code and keep state option. Then the symbol for virtual address will be loaded into CVD. You can check a physical address and virtual address. I will boot up the target completely. booting is finished, and sometimes you can see question marks in debug list view or memory windows. It means that you cannot access the memory yet. So please check the target board, whether target board is booted up completely or not. And CVD provides Linux awareness here. If you can't find the Linux menu or main menu, please click config and RTOS customize. You can select the RTOS here. And please select Linux and show task list. CVD will list out all processors running on the target board. Also, there are many other menus on Linux menu. If you want to debug Linux application, please select app debugging here. And select application, what you want to debug. I will debug the application called ARGV underbar test. Then press the debug start button. And CVD will wait until the application executes. And I executed the application through terminal line now. Then target has been stopped now. In here, you can see the application is a current processor, and you can start debugging from now. Also, you can debug module from Linux and module debugging. And click debug start. I will insert one of device. You can see device module has been inserted to kernel. So if you want to debug this, please use these commands here, and device module is inserted now. You can also remove the module, so please set breakpoint here and then go, and I will remove the module now. And then you can see it stopped at cleanup module function. So in this way, you can debug the device driver on CVD. And also CVD supports library debugging. So if you want to debug library debugging, just click the library debugging and select, you can set library name here. So when the library inserted, then it will stop at the location of a library inserted. Otherwise, you can debug a library already loaded into the memory, like the application into the memory. So select library here, and I will put the function name here, and then click debug start again. And then I will execute the library. So you can see PC is stopped at main function, start of the main function. So you can debug a library what you want to debug from now. Okay, for more details, please refer to RTOS manual or CVD reference manual. Thank you.